Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to keep a guinea pig's teeth healthy? Let's find out. Guinea pigs are herbivores with continuously growing teeth. Unlike humans, they lack the ability to grind their teeth through chewing tough fibrous foods, which can lead to various dental issues if not properly managed. A fundamental aspect of maintaining guinea pigs' dental health is providing them with a balanced diet. Their diet should consist primarily of high-quality hay, which helps wear down their teeth naturally as they chew. Additionally, offering a variety of fresh vegetables rich in vitamin C, such as bell peppers and kale, supports overall dental health. Regularly inspecting your guinea pig's teeth is crucial. Healthy teeth should be straight, evenly aligned, and free of discoloration or excessive length. If you notice any abnormalities or signs of overgrowth, consult a veterinarian promptly. Moreover, incorporating chew toys into their environment can help promote dental wear and prevent the development of sharp edges or spurs on their teeth. Wooden blocks, untreated willow or apple branches, and mineral chews are excellent options. Ensuring proper calcium and vitamin C intake is also essential for maintaining strong teeth and overall oral health. A balanced diet supplemented with fresh fruits and vegetables rich in these nutrients is beneficial. In summary, maintaining a guinea pig's dental health involves providing a balanced diet rich in hay and fresh vegetables, regular dental inspections, offering chew toys, and ensuring adequate intake of calcium and vitamin C. By implementing these practices, you can help your furry friend enjoy a lifetime of healthy teeth and gums. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and support us on Patreon for more educational content about guinea pigs. Goodbye.